Larnelle Garnie, and I am a PhD student in Inorganic Chemistry. I focus more on the biological side of studying the malaria parasite called Plasmodium falciparum, and I'm interested in one of the biological pathways that take place in the parasite. What made me interested was the fact that malaria, even though we know about malaria and we have a lot of drugs to combat malaria, it still is a very big problem in the world, not just in Africa, but also in Southeast Asia. And the fight is nowhere near being won. And so when I first heard about this project, I figured that I would be making a good contribution towards the fight against malaria, and so that was what first grabbed me. And then once I started actually doing the experiments, I found that I actually really enjoyed being in the lab and doing the analytical techniques. And so yeah, that gripped me, and then I went full steam ahead with it. The advice that I would give to anyone wanting to study science is that it is a very difficult path to take, but it's definitely very rewarding. At the end of the day, when you look back and you see the contributions that you've made, you can actually be proud of the fact that you formed a piece of the big puzzle that is the world today. My other advice would be that if you do want to do science, you definitely have to be focused, and you have to stay motivated, and you definitely have to put in all the hours that you need. But at the end of the day, it's definitely worth it, and that self-satisfaction that you get knowing that you've done something bigger than yourself is absolutely amazing.